Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to explore conceptual art using ChatGPT. We'll explore how AI can assist in generating ideas and visuals that push the boundaries of creativity. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, make sure to check out the pinned comment below. Alright, let's get started. Abstract art is one of the most freeing and expressive forms of creativity. It allows us to break away from the constraints of reality and dive into pure emotion and imagination. In this segment, I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to generate a unique abstract art concept. We'll focus on vibrant colors and geometric shapes, two key elements that can really make an abstract piece pop. So let's input our prompt right here. See? Once it's constructed the prompt well, let's send this over. Now that we've sent the prompt, let's take a moment to think about why we choose these elements. Well, color theory plays a huge role in abstract art. Each color can evoke a different emotion, from calm to excitement. And geometric shapes can create a sense of movement or structure, guiding the viewer's eye across the canvas. Now let's see how ChatGPT, right here, can generate here, and voila! Look at how the vibrant colors and geometric shapes interact. This is what makes abstract art so powerful. See? It speaks to each person differently. Pretty cool, huh? Now, let's step into the world of surrealism, a place where reality and imagination blend together in the most unexpected ways. Surrealism is all about exploring the subconscious mind and creating dreamlike scenes that can evoke powerful emotions. For this segment, we're going to use ChatGPT to generate a surreal landscape that challenges our perception of the ordinary. So here's the prompt that I put together. So let's say I want ChatGPT to create a surreal landscape with, let's say, floating islands and a giant clock that's melting over a tree and whatnot. And yeah, and let's send this off. All right, the prompt is sent. So while we wait for the result, let's talk about why surrealism is so captivating. In short, it's the element of surprise, juxtaposing unrelated objects in ways that defy logic. Here it is. This is how ChatGPT had generated here. Impressive, huh? There it is, the floating islands, the melting clock right here. So, each element contributes to a scene that feels both familiar and otherworldly. Impressive, huh? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys! Finally, let's delve into the power of minimalism. In a world often cluttered with excess, minimalist art strips away the unnecessary and focuses on the essence of the subject. It's all about making a strong impact with just a few elements. For this segment, we're going to create a minimalist poster that embodies simplicity. So here's the prompt that I just put together, just like I said, minimalist poster, and there are the details, single red dot in the center of a white background. All right, let's send this over right now. And now that we've sent the prompt, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of minimalism. It's not just about using fewer elements, it's about the deliberate choice of those elements and how they interact with space. Now, let's see how ChatGPT just translated this concept into a visual. And here it is, a single dot on a white background. See, there are two choices that ChatGPT had provided for you. One right here. Here's the other one with added details, like it's a paper with clipboards. My apologies, clips, binder clips. And yeah, so very striking, isn't it? So minimalist art reminds us that sometimes less truly is more. And there you have it, a journey through conceptual art with the help of ChatGPT.